How to add a PDF to Klaviyo email. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a PDF file or a link, rather say a link of a PDF file to Klaviyo email campaign. So we are going to head over to klaviyo.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to head over the campaigns. So once we have here the campaigns, we're going to choose the campaign. I'm going to create a new campaign just for the review. I'm going to select email. Now we're going to head over here, click on next after we have set up the segment or the audience. So we click on next. We're going to wait for the template to be ready. I'm going to choose one of the templates, click on use, and then we are going to be here. So what are we going to do? We have two options. Either we are going to add it into an image by clicking on the image and then we're adding the image. I'm going to show you how you can add an image. Drag and drop an image, select an image. So you do not want this, but only like that. I'm going to click on select. Here we have our image. We are going to have the alternative text and also the link address. We are going to focus on the link address. I'm going to choose one of the, let's say here, files that I have on Canva, for example, and I am going to download them as PDF. So I'm going to share the file as PDF standard. I'm going to deselect all these, only 2 pages. I do not need a heavy file. So we are going to have our file as a PDF. Now, what do we need to do next is going to be having the file, and we are going to need a Google Drive. So I'm going to place my file here. Boom. We're going to click on the file, and we're going to have also share. I'm going to have here the sharing option to public, and I can go ahead and have a link. Anyone with a link, copy, head over here, paste the link right away, and the image is going to be clickable. That was the first method. The second method is going to be consistent of having a part of a text. We're going to highlight it or select it, click on link, and paste your URL, and it is going to be underlined. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.